Welcome back to our series on minimalism. In our previous video, we delved into the concept of minimalism and how I've incorporated this lifestyle into various things, aspects of my life, including work, relationships, and finances. The benefits of minimalism have been astonishing, and it's been an inspiring journey towards embracing the idea of knowing enough for happiness. Feeling exhausted by the cycle of living from one paycheck to another? Does the notion of achieving financial freedom seem like an impossible feat? If you're resonating with these sentiments, then you're in the right place. Prepare to be introduced to a lifestyle that has the potential to transform your financial aspirations into tangible reality. Welcome to the realm of minimalism, a space where the mantra, "less is more," holds true in every sense. Minimalism transcends mere aesthetics or passing trends. It's a lifestyle philosophy that urges us to shed the superfluous, eschew extravagance, and hone in on what holds genuine significance. Through purposeful simplification and the trimming of excess, minimalism fosters not only a tranquil, uncluttered setting, but also lays the groundwork for achieving financial prosperity. Curious about how minimalism contributes to financial freedom? Let's break it down. Every possession you own, every subscription you maintain, every small luxury you indulge in, each carries a financial cost. By cutting out these unnecessary expenses, you're not only simplifying your life, you're also releasing valuable resources. These freed-up resources can then be channeled into wealth-building endeavors. So, where should you start? Begin by simplifying your living space. Sell or donate items you no longer need or use. This not only generates extra income, but also alleviates the financial burden of maintaining unnecessary possessions. Then, scrutinize your monthly expenditures. Identify areas where you can trim back. Do you truly require all your subscriptions? Can you explore more cost-effective alternatives? Remember, minimalism isn't synonymous with deprivation. It's about making deliberate choices. It's about prioritizing experiences over material possessions, putting your resources into creating lasting memories rather than temporary goods that lose value over time. With this change in mindset, you'll discover that you're not only saving money, but you're also living a more enriching life. This, my friends, encapsulates the essence of financial freedom. Today, we accompany you on a path toward financial freedom, viewing it through the prism of minimalism. Simplify your living environment by eliminating items you no longer require or utilize. Envision a space where each object holds a specific function and contributes to an atmosphere of serenity and peace. This is the essence of decluttering. It transcends mere aesthetics, embodying a lifestyle decision that can lead to financial freedom. Decluttering enables you to assess your belongings. You may discover a multitude of items you seldom use. These neglected possessions not only take up physical space, but also clutter your thoughts. Through decluttering, you cultivate a focused and tranquil atmosphere, free from unnecessary distractions. Furthermore, decluttering presents an opportunity to generate additional income. Possessions such as unused shoes, outdated gaming consoles, or neglected books can be converted into money through online sales or organizing a garage sale. While this endeavor might appear overwhelming at first, once you initiate it, you'll discover a sense of liberation. It encourages you to reevaluate your spending patterns and adopt more deliberate choices, ultimately driving you closer to achieving financial independence. Decluttering isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process of consciously deciding what to keep and what to let go. It involves prioritizing quality over quantity and needs over wants. Start today by decluttering a corner, drawer, or closet in your home. Every item you release is a step toward a simpler, more focused, and financially secure life. Afterward, examine your monthly expenditures closely to pinpoint areas where you can trim costs. This action enables you to assume command of your financial situation and gain clarity on where your funds are allocated. Terminate subscriptions that no longer align with your needs, investigate more economical options, and contemplate lifestyle adjustments to minimize expenses. Opting to pack your lunch instead of eating out or preparing your coffee at home can result in substantial savings in the long run. Keep in mind that even minor changes matter. While reducing non-essential expenses might appear insignificant initially, these adjustments accumulate over time, playing a crucial role in your journey toward financial independence. In the end, it boils down to shifting your perspective and welcoming the idea that simplicity can be more rewarding. Through scrutinizing your expenditures and implementing strategic reductions, you're steadily progressing toward financial freedom with every choice you make. Within the domain of frugality, commonly mistaken for mere stinginess, resides the core principle of making prudent and knowledgeable financial decisions. It involves prioritizing essentials over extravagances while preserving happiness and maintaining a high quality of life. Embracing frugality necessitates a change in mindset, a realization of the worth inherent in everyday elements frequently overlooked. Choosing to commute by foot or bicycle rather than by car, cooking meals at home instead of eating out, or repairing belongings rather than discarding them exemplify this shift in perspective. These minor alterations have the potential to generate substantial long-term savings. But how to get started? The internet provides an abundance of resources and communities committed to frugal living. Platforms such as Frugal Woods, The Penny Hoarder, or the subreddit rFrugal serve as central hubs where people exchange experiences, tactics, and advice for adopting a frugal lifestyle. These websites offer valuable insights on cutting costs for groceries, utilities, clothing, and various other expenses. At the core of frugality lies the principle of do-it-yourself, DIY. Whether it involves recreating restaurant recipes in your own kitchen, handling home repairs autonomously, or growing your own produce, DIY not only cuts costs, but also offers a gratifying and fulfilling experience. Another aspect of frugality involves fostering contentment with your current belongings. This doesn't mean settling, but rather appreciating the value of what you already own. It's about placing importance on quality over quantity and acknowledging that abundance doesn't necessarily lead to fulfillment. Integrating frugality into your lifestyle doesn't mean giving up on dreams or desires. Instead, by cutting back on non-essential expenses, you create opportunities to invest in experiences that genuinely bring happiness and fulfillment. Being frugal doesn't imply being miserly. It involves making wise and thoughtful financial decisions. As time goes on, these minor adjustments add up to significant savings, moving you closer to financial independence. In the end, embracing frugality signifies embarking on a journey towards a more deliberate and satisfying existence. By embracing a frugal mindset and applying pragmatic approaches, you lay the groundwork for enhanced financial stability and independence. Shifting our attention from material possessions to experiences represents the ultimate and most gratifying phase of our journey towards financial freedom through minimalism. Rather than investing in items that depreciate over time, why not allocate our resources towards experiences that appreciate and enrich our lives over time? Think about it this way. A shiny new gadget might offer temporary excitement, but eventually, it fades into the background as just another forgotten possession. Conversely, a journey to a long-awaited destination, a cooking class, a music festival, or a laid-back camping trip with friends, these are the experiences that etch themselves into your memory. They not only shape and inspire you, but also create enduring moments that you'll treasure for a lifetime. What makes investing in experiences truly remarkable is how they enrich your life in ways that material possessions simply cannot. What's more, they achieve this without depleting your finances. It's time to start a journey where memories are your wealth and experiences are your most cherished treasures. As we near the end of our journey toward financial freedom through minimalism, let's take a moment to recap the steps we've discussed today. Start by decluttering your living space, letting go of items that no longer serve you and potentially turning them into sources of income. Next, carefully scrutinize your monthly expenses, cutting back where possible and exploring more economical options. Keep in mind that every penny saved contributes to your financial health and overall well-being. Adopt frugality as your preferred way of life. It's not about depriving yourself, but rather about making intelligent choices that allow you to enjoy life without exceeding your budget. The heart of frugality is about valuing experiences over material possessions, investing in lasting memories instead of items that lose value over time. Equipped with this understanding, you hold the ability to nurture wealth through minimalism. The road to financial freedom is now accessible to you. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you've developed a good sense of maturity in your life through different experiences, then let's have a discussion in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe. And as always, follow your heart, my friend, and take action and go live the life you're born to live. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video soon. Take care.